Sometimes you find it difficult to visualize the text you have in your cells, and just because this could be because you have a very small or a limited cell size to accommodate the text. So sometimes you might want to expand it this way so that you can be able to visualize all. But what if you have a large data set and you have to start expanding and doing those adjustments manually? It can be time consuming. So I want to teach you a very quick way to fix this, as well as here and also here. You notice that some of the text are not visible. So to do this, all you just need to do is to come to the left hand corner here, and this point here, you just click on it once. It highlights your table like this, and just pick any of the cells here, any of the cells maybe between, let's say, C and D, something like that, and just tap on it twice. You can see that it has fixed everything, and you are able to see every of your text, the column, the text are visible, and everything looks good now. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching.